Hello, my name is Laura Galicchio, and I'll be talking about the social cognitive theory. So, by definition, our book states that is the most valuable assets in the field of health behavior, asserts in general terms that the environment and the personal characteristics of the individual interact with behavior in a reciprocal form. It also states that the social environment is a central influence on behavior, making personal characteristics alone an inadequate explanation of health behaviors. So, an example of this is, growing up as a kid in our homes with parents or whoever helped raise us, we learn certain behaviors from them that we witness them either physically doing, such as manners, just from observing their behavior. So, you could say this theory, from this theory, that your environment molds you. And here below, there's also 5 constructs that make up this theory, as listed below here. And here is just an image of the social cognitive theory and what determines human behavior. So it breaks it down into 3 categories of cognitive factors, also known as personal factors. We have behavioral factors and then environmental factors. Just an overview of my intervention, I looked at cardiovascular disease in the Huntington-Ashland metropolitan area, and I was assessing diet and nutrition, and my goal was to increase education about diet and nutrition and then implement community gardens. So here I have outlined my theory and how I incorporated cognitive personal factors, environmental factors, and behavior. And by educating the population further and putting an emphasis on community nutrition and diet, we hope to see an increase in health and healthy behaviors and a decrease in cardiovascular disease. Thank you.